Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, kule video yamanje ngifisa sikhulume ngodaba le-ANC. Kune-article engiyibonile ebhalwe i-Sunday Times ethi ama-members of parliament they've turned against uMbalula mayelana nodaba lwe-DA ne-GNU. Sizokhumbula ukuthi i-DA ne-ANC bashadile bona kodwa umshado wabo awunakho ukuthula ngezathu zokuthi ibhizinisi ifuna i-DA ibe ingxenye ye-GNU. Noma i-ANC ithanda ukuyixosha i-DA, kodwa amandla okwenza lokho banqanyuliwe ngoba laba abafandayo, laba abangama-partners wabo bebhizinisi abafuni ukuthi i-DA iphume ku-GNU. Emavikini adlule sikhulumile ngevideo la khona uGogo Zille baye bambuza ukuthi ucabangani mayicabanga ucansi ANC ngabaxosha na. Wathi no, they are going nowhere. If ANC want this economy to collapse, fanele keep i-DA ku-GNU. Sizobheka ke lo article ebhalwe i-Sunday Times. Sikhulume nje ngoba lento noma kuthiwa uyithanda i-ANC noma kuthiwa awuyithandi i-DA, kodwa labantu baku-government whatever bayenzayo izozi-affect iy'mpilo zethu. Okokuqala nje mawukhumbula udaba le-budget iyahlehla ngoba i-DA yayingahambisani nokukhuphuka kwe-VAT ngo-2%. i-DA kweza udaba lwesibili le-1% kodwa yayihlukaniswe kabili ku-0.5 kulo nyaka ku-0.5 kunyaka ozayo. Nakhona lihambe laze lajika ecourt lapho kokusukume ngisho i-EFF ngoba beyi-against i-VAT. ANC ukuze iphasise leyo fiscal framework yaza sebenza nama-parties angaphandle kwe-GNU. Zonke lezo zinto lezo noma kuthiwa uyithanda i-ANC noma uyithanda i-DA noma uyiliphi iqembu kodwa iyaku-affecta ngoba namhlanje South Africa ina-budget. So ngiyafisa sikhulume ngalolu daba ngoba ekugcineni kosuku noma isiphi isinqumo abasithathayo njengoba ku-government izoku-affecta nawe. ANC fanele sethulele i-budget, not i-ANC, uminister we-finance kodwa phela onge-ANC funeka sethulele i-budget ongeyesithathu kulo nyaka azoyithula ngomhla ka-21 kuMeyi. Kuningi ngesikilindele kodwa siyazi ukuthi i-VAT ayizukuba ingxenye yayo. Kodwa khona okunye engike ngakucabanga ukuthi ukube ngempela kusenjengakuqala lapho i-ANC ayine-majority khona ngabe i-VAT esinayo iwu-17%. Ilokho nje ukukhathaza umoya wami mangicabanga indaba ye-ANC. Ke i-article ebhalwe i-Sunday Times mayelana nodaba lwe-GNU ifundeka kanje. Njengoba abanye becabanga ukuthi i-Government of National Unity ihleli phansi isebenza kanzima ihlanganisa i-budget 3.0, ANC ama-members of parliament abiza umhlangano kwi-party leadership bedimanda ukuthi i-DA ayidampwe noma ayishiwe okanye abayilaxaze. Umthombo othembekile-ke utshela i-Sunday Times ukuthi more than 100 members of parliament, iningi labo noma abanye babo bangama-member we-National Executive Committee bakonfronte u-Secretary General uFikile Mbalula kwi-meeting le bebemvalele ekhoneni ngayo oyibe i-short notice eJohannesburg ngolesihlanu. uMbalula kuyibizile i-meeting wathi-ke uzoba-update i-caucus leyo akhulume nabo kodwa nje aze abatshele nabo ne-strategy ukuthi izothebulwa kanjani i-budget ngomhla ka-21 Meyi. Ithi ngikucaphunela uFikile Mbalula ephawula ngalolu daba.
Members of the ANC who have insisted on this, they must be disciplined. They must respect their own party. Leaking information to the media is detrimental to the cohesion of our movement because that leakage of information is a distortion. And I've said to the media that, look, there is no caucus that can revolt against the ANC. There is no such caucus. It will never happen. There is no caucus of the ANC that can rebel against the ANC. People have got a choice to join other political parties. Those members of caucus have been disciplined. They took orders from their party, and they've raised their views, and we respect their views, even if it is dissent. And I will report to the officials tomorrow, and I will report to the NWC about some of the things that comrades raised. And of course, it's critical thinking, but at the same time, is to enhance the ANC standing in ensuring that our hegemony is not eroded within the government of national unity.
Njengoba umuzi uMbaksi la into emkhathaza kakhulu akulona udaba lona ngokwalo ukhathazwa ukuthi le meeting ibihlanganiswe somewhere lapho khona bengekho abantu abanolwazi kodwa ukhala ngama members wabo abaliki information ngoba le information bekufuneka mase beqedile ukukhuluma besinyathelwa phansi ngenyawo ingabe indaba eyaziwayo okunye futhi akuvezayo ukuthi lawo ma members azodiscipline ngoba ayikho i-caucus e-ANC efuneka ivukela abaholi futhi i-caucus fanele ithobele lokho abayitshelwa khona ngabaholi njengoba umuzi uMbaksi la esho ukuthi babalalelile abakushoyo bakuzwa futhi uzoxhumana ne-National Working Committee kodwa okuhamba phambili ukuthi lama members lawa umebona ukuthi awahambisani nethu inenqumo ethathwe ngabaholi kufuneka join amanye ama political parties isinqumo lesi athumbalula kodwa bakulalelile abakushoyo akusolwa kumbalula yedwa ngoba phela babili abantu umbalula usesayidini laba defend iGNU no president uRamaphosa ngokunjalo so uma ama members of parliament evukela lesinqumo usho ukuthi avukela ubuholi ngempela wavukela upresident uSecretary General ngoba ibona abantu abazi ukuthi kungani fanele iGNU igcinwe ngicabanga ukuthi la kubantu kuyibona bona ibusiness exhumana nabo mhlawumbe ufikile embalulu ingxenye yabo ngoba uyena umuntu ongakaze waphumela obala yebo uvelile yena ekhombisa ukuba frustrated uma qede phela ibudget athi no awukwazi ukuthi ungavota against ibudget bese uthi futhi uzoyimplementa leyo budget kusho ufikile embalulu kodwa abantu abaphumela obala uMinister of Finance wathi yena akayiboni iDA ukuthi ngayimplementa kanjani ibudget evote against yona kwaba ubaba lo uChief Whip uNtuli naye futhi waphumela obala Paul Mashatile waphumela obala dala ukuthi yena akamsani neGNU akamsani neDA noma iGNU yayibona kodwa akamsani neDA Panyaza Lesufi naye futhi ngomunye wabantu abaphumela obala bathi no iDA cha abayizwisisi inkinga ke ze-ANC ziyanda ngoba akusile inkinga kuphela uma ucabanga emavikini enyakeni ophelile uSolima Payile o Secretary General we SACP ukuhlongozile ukuthi iSACP izophuma manje uba alliance neANC nayo i-contest ukhetho ngokuzimela ufile embalulu uPhawulile ngalo noColin Malachi owaPaul ethingibona ivideo kaColin Malachi ngiyayithola na
counter revolution, he must do it alone. He is not going to leave the SSCP. Because the SSCP belongs to the mass democratic movement. We are not going to allow populists. When we had 63%, they were here put us. When we had 57%, they were here put us. When we were under siege, they leave us and go and join counter-revolution at the expense of our people. Hakuna SSCP ezohamba nosoli. Usoli itholi khona SSCP. If afuna ukujoin MK noFresh Bambo, makahambe ayeke SSCP ihleli njalo.
Njengoba umuzwa uColin Malachi la ethi cha iSACP izolokhu ikhona usoli nje ngoba ithola ikhona uzoyishiya ikhona tengamsiza ukuthi yena aphume umbalula ke nawo Phawulile mayelana lolu daba kodwa kubhlungu ngathi iyaqhubeka lento ngoba iSACP izimisela ngempela ukucontest ama elections ingasa alliance neANC kodwa isizimele kuyabheda ANC kuyabheda ngempela isimo sihambe kahle uma members of parliament nawe esukumile akhombisa ukungenami SACP kuyi-alliance nayo nekhosathu phela nabo kungenzeka isukume nabo ibe against bona akusekho kuhle ngempela shuthi ANC iyafa ngempela asizi ukuthi utheni.
We held a bilateral with the South African Communist Party. They did raise the issue of going it alone. We have agreed to continuously engaging on this matter, including the modalities of that particular decision. A decision to contest election is a decision of the Communist Party. They've got to examine it themselves and make a determination. In as far as how it will affect the alliance is a matter that we agreed next year we'll talk about it. But they informed us that they've taken a decision and they are taking it to their Congress and they will leave it there. And then the ANC will discuss with them the implications of that decision in terms of its implementation, because it has got serious implications for the alliance, that kind of decision. So we have agreed with the party and we want to respect that, and we want to respect the party as an independent organ, but we did caution against that in terms of the ANC. We have cautioned against that. The party raised its own issues around it, and then we will engage going forward. The decisions of the organization in relation to what will be the outcome of the NEC, and as well as the NWC recommendation to the NEC, that's a matter we can discuss and debate with you after then.
Kodwa kuyo yonke le nkulumo njengoba uyizwa, kungcono sithole yona i-SACP isichazele ukuthi yini le yenza ukuthi bafune manje ushile i-alliance bakhethe ukuthi bazicontestele bona ngokwabo ama-elections ingoba kwenze njani.
Our revolution is being sold out sibhekile, angeke sivume thina si-Communist Party lento le. And we say to you as comrade of FOPCRO, don't allow this thing to happen. You have raised many important issues, Comrade President. Our speech resonates. I'll jump some of the questions. But important to say, the foundation of this GNU is a neoliberal economic trajectory. That's the basis. Besides this question, it's also important to fulfill this point that the comments that they promised we will make on this statement of intent from the alliance were never taken into account. We asked to participate in the negotiating team. We appointed people. We appointed Tulas Nesi from our side. Kosato appointed Mike Shingangi. The two were never even invited to a single negotiating meeting, because these things were dealt with in secret. They were premeditated. As early as March, we knew that there were secret talks going on with the DA. We raised these concerns. Why are there secret talks when we're in the middle of the campaign?
SACP ke isikhiphile sizathu sayo sokuthi cha bacela bona ukuba ingxenye yama negotiations lawe GNU, kodwa zange bafakwe njengoba vele ba against iDA, so bayabona akusizi ukuba ku-alliance ngenxa ukuthi i-ANC ifuneka amavoti, kodwa kuney'nqumo ey'thatha ngaphandle kwabo. Sona sizathu esikhulu-ke lesi esishiwo i-SACP. Ngenxa yesikhathi angeke ngisayifaka impendulo yayizolo kaFikile Mbalula lapho aphendule khona mayelana nalolu daba olushiwo uSoli Mapayile, kodwa enkulumeni edlule ukhulume kanje.
The Communist Party standing on its own will deplete the progressive forces in this country. And we believe that we stand opposed to that. The officials have been given a mandate to engage with the Communist Party. We're looking forward to our bilateral on that specific matter. We went into detail around this particular issue. We went back to the resolutions of the past and then look into them. But the mandate of the NEC was that reconfiguration is an alliance matter. It's not just a bilateral between the ANC and the Communist Party. There is an issue between the Communist Party and the ANC and the entire alliance, which is the Communist Party standing as an election. When it comes to that, the ANC has always been very clear that the Communist Party standing on its own will deplete the progressive forces in this country. And we believe that we stand opposed to that, as much as we respect the decision of the party, but it will weaken more than strengthening.
So lilonke ANC opposed imelene nalesinqumo esithathwe SACP ukuthi contest ama elections ngoba lokho kuzoyenza ibe weak inhlangano yabo. Ilokho ebengithi angikulethele khona. ANC iney'nkinga ey'nkulu ey'ngaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Ngoba nalaba bethi babambisene nawo nabo bafuna ukushiya ngey'zathu zabo-ke. Kodwa nje uSolly Mapayile ufana nabo laba abaphumela obala abangahambisani nokuba khona kwe-DA kwi-GNU. Kodwa kayikho into ezokwenziwa ngoba laba abaphethe imali, labo okuyibona abalawulayo, Gqokuzile usho ngeqholo uthi we're going nowhere. If ANC want this economy to collapse, ayikhiphe i-DA. Hhayi, i-ANC isenkingeni ngoba kufuneka ishade ne-DA noma ingakuthandi ukushada naye. Ngezathu sokuthi kukhona laba abafuna ukuthi ibe ne-DA. Ya, ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ngalolu daba.